welcome to What's Cooking with Chef Kevin. Today we're going to be making a yogurt curry chicken, which is also known as chicken tikka masala. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with boneless, skinless chicken breast that I've diced ahead of time right here. And we're going to make a marinade with plain yogurt. And then we're going to add some garlic, ginger, coriander spice, paprika, salt, garam masala, which is an Indian spice, and a little bit of turmeric for color. So we'll start by adding our yogurt first. And now our spices, masala, turmeric, coriander, fennel, salt, paprika, a pinch of garlic, and a pinch of this ginger. We're going to mix that together. Just get a nice little color on there like that. And now we are going to mix our chicken into that. And I like to use a glove and a hand to get in there real good and just mix it up. That way it's nice and coated. All right, it smells really good. Now we're going to marinate this at least 2 to 3 hours, but preferably overnight. So if you have the time, this is a dish we'd like to marinate ahead of time to get that full flavor. So we're going to go ahead and get this marinated, and then we'll start cooking. All right, so we're back. Our chicken is marinated, and we're ready to start cooking. So I have a nice hot saute pan here ready to go. We're going to add just some regular butter to the pan. About 1 pat, so about a tablespoon or so. I'm going to let that melt a little bit before we add our chicken. You hear that sizzling. Very good. Okay, so I'm going to add some of our chicken that we marinated now. I'm going to add about half the portion. There we are. And we're going to go ahead and just let that cook for a little bit. All right, so now that our chicken is cooking, we're going to get ready to start building our sauce in the pan. So what I like to do is I like to add a little more fresh garlic and ginger. Right here we have coconut milk. You could also use heavy cream if you're not a fan of the coconut milk, but traditionally this dish is made with coconut milk. Also right here in this big pan, I have just some canned diced tomatoes. You could use crushed tomatoes. You could just do the plain tomato sauce if you'd like as well. What we're going to do while this chicken is cooking, we're going to add a little garlic to the pan, a little ginger. Let's mix that up a little bit. Also a little fresh onion, almost forgot. That's a very important part. Just a little bit. All right, we'll let that continue to cook a little bit more. Now, traditionally we serve this dish with basmati rice. Now, basmati rice is a very aromatic rice that's grown in the Himalayas and India and Pakistan. When you cook it, it has a much more aromatic smell to it. You can definitely smell it cooking. And that goes very well with this dish. Okay, so now we're going to add a little bit of the crushed tomato and a little bit of coconut milk. We'll mix that up and let it cook just a little bit longer. All right, should be just a couple more minutes and we'll be ready to eat. Okay, so we're just about ready to plate. Now that wonderful aromatic basmati rice I told you about, I've already pre-plated here on the plate already. And we're going to go ahead and get our chicken down. I like to put it just a little bit off to the side and then add a little extra sauce on top. There we are. We're also going to serve this dish with a piece of naan. Now, naan is an Indian flatbread that's traditionally cooked in a clay oven. It's very similar to pita bread, but it has a little bit more of a rustic flavor to it. So we're just going to go ahead and we toasted that, and I'm going to set it off to the side right here. And I like to finish with a little bit of chopped cilantro for freshness and flavor. And there you go. That is chicken tikka masala, also known as curry yogurt chicken. You can get it every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday next week in the Village Cafe and the Bistro. Thanks for watching.